Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello, and welcome to episode number 114 of Business Behind the Scene. Good to see you here, everybody. Now, today we got a super special episode for you guys. We have a private podcast for my clients, right? So I've got 450 people in my Mafia Academy, and when my VIP Mafians were saying, oh my gosh, I don't have time to go inside of the website in my computer and go and listen to everything. I literally need to, I would love to be able to have Francesca in the pocket. So every time I'm walking or driving or whatever it is, I can just put you on my headphones and boom, I can hear the coaching that you did with the clients or with the other Mafians, and it would be so valuable. So I'm like, yeah, we can do that. So we created this podcast where we everybody in their phone can download in the Mafia, and they can put the little user and password. So it's literally uniquely to VIP members, and they can listen to the podcast anywhere they are, and they can learn, and they can then go and implement everything they learned. So I'm loving that podcast. And then what happened is people were asking questions about, business or marketing or anything like that. And so I started to create top tips. So any questions, right? So I started to answer questions of my clients in a very short 2-3 minutes podcast, and then upload them in the same private podcast that we got for the clients, and they are going viral. Literally every single member of my Mafia, they're listening to this podcast and going, oh my gosh, they're so good. Beginning of the day, I listen to one and boom, it gets me excited for the day, it gets me excited for the week, and I'm ready to go. And so we decided to do a little compilation of 4 of our top tip podcasts, the one that are most listened in the Mafia, that people really loved. Now there is some of them, I want to warn you, they're a little bit tough love, and we just put them together very quickly for you guys to really see what's out there and see how we can show you what are we doing inside of the Mafia Academy. And hopefully you guys enjoy these little tough love tips on how to get you motivated to get along with your day. Now there are 4 in this episode here, so be mindful that usually we split them up for clients, but I really wanted you guys to listen to these, and if you love them, go ahead and implement these. I would love you guys to take a photo of this podcast and upload it in any of your social media that you use, and tag me and tell me what was the biggest takeaway from today, because you gotta strap yourself, because there are 4 top tips full of action taking steps for you to go and stop procrastinating and stop being in your head and start really be disciplined with your business. And my Mafians love them, and I'm sure that you guys are gonna love them too. So give us some feedback, and we'll look forward to see you next episode. Listen, what is going to happen today? I wanted to chat with you guys about what is going on in my mind when I don't want to do something and I get to do it anyway. Listen, it's been a process in the last 6 years for me to become disciplined and be able to trust that I'm going to do things. So I trust myself now. I have full trust that I know that anything I do, I'll succeed. I know that. Do you know that? So you got to work on your mindset to get to the point that you trust you. I know that everything I do, I'll succeed. I know that everything I invest in, I'll get my money back and more. And I know that everything I choose to do, I will do it properly, and I'll do it well, and I will learn from it, and I will become a better version of myself. So if you are still doubting yourself, stop it. You're your worst enemy. You're not going to be able to get your business to the next level staying in doubt. So how can you trust yourself now? How can you find evidence in your brain of something that you've done in the past that trusts you? You trust you. You trust you? Trust you. If you don't trust you, how your clients are going to trust you? I was saying that the other day to someone. They're like, oh my gosh, I want to become part of the Mafia. I want to do it. And they're trying to charge people $1,500, and the payments for Mafia are about $2,000. And I said, look, you're not willing to pay $2,000 a month, and you're expecting people to buy from you $1,500 a month. Like, it's just not going to happen, right? It's not going to happen. If you don't invest in yourself, you're not going to get clients that are going to invest in you. It's just a reflection, right? So you need to work on you. You need to trust you. You need to keep working on the thing that you want to do, that you know they're going to get your business to the next level. But listen, staying focused. Focus time. Get your calendar in place and focus, and everything that is in your calendar, do it. You guys, this is the biggest mistake of most business owners, that they're not disciplined with their mindset. Listen, what excuses are you making today? What excuses are you making today to actually make some money in your business? What money-making activities are you concentrating on today? And if you look at your schedule and you've got none of them in your schedule, shut up and change your schedule. You need to make sure that you look into your calendar and you go, holy guacamole, I haven't not got any money-making activity today, tomorrow, or this week. I need to find a way. So listen, a money-making activity for you, if you are into a one-to-many funnel, would be filling up your workshop that is coming up, right? There is ways for you to really concentrate all your energy into money-making activities, because you cannot just concentrate on running the business, creating content, all of that stuff. It doesn't help. You need to also pick up the phone, chat with some clients. Maybe sometimes you need to go back to some one-on-ones, or you need to go back to creating a something different to just get some money. Right now we are in the middle of COVID. I know that COVID is still affecting a lot of you into running events like we used to, so you need to find a way. You need to put your creative hat on and really come together with some sort of ways for you to monetize this week. What can you do to make money this week? What can you do to find some clients this week? What are you going to do? How much energy are you going to put into finding clients this week? Let's find the energy. You have the energy within you, so bring it on. Think about, all right, what am I going to do today? Let's go. What am I going to do? How am I going to bring the energy up? How am I going to get some clients this week? Come up with ideas and implement them, right? I am all about planning, and I'm all about putting things in place and following one funnel, but sometimes you have to go some other ways to be able to bring the money in. So what are you going to do today to bring that money in? What are you going to do this week? What are you going to do? How are you going to reach more people? How much energy are you going to put on your social media to get people to say yes to you? Really bring it home and think about, how can people really say yes to you today? What can you do? What can you put out there? Remember, it's about building that trust. It's about building energy, but it's also about putting your energy out there and really, really do it. Don't sit and procrastinate. Don't wait till the things happen. We make shit happen. We don't wait for the storm to pass. We make the storm pass. Brainstorm. Get a piece of paper out and brainstorm what are the ways that you can either save money or make money this week. Sometimes you have to go to those places to make sure that your business is going to get to the next level. Sometimes you need to tweak, sometimes you need to change, sometimes you need to hustle. Don't be afraid of pushing yourself sometimes. I know that I'm all about balance. I'm all about make sure that you don't work too hard. I agree with that. I'm sticking with that. But listen, are you working hard in your 8 hours that you're working, or are you procrastinating? Out of the 8 hours, how much are you productive? How many of those hours are you wasting time? If you, as CEO, are wasting time, imagine what your employees are going to do. It's time to change that. It's time to become productive so that we can be like example for our clients, our students, our employees, our contractors, everybody that comes along and work with us. How can we change the things that we do now to become more productive, to make more money, so that we can be the example for them? How can your VAs bring you more money today? How can you have other little products and things that you can have that you can give away for free to your clients, but you may be able to sell on the side? There is so much abundance out there. Go and grab it. Don't wait to make money. You can make money today. You can make money every day. You're going to find that thing that's going to work for you. And when you find it, then milk it, use it, go ahead. So guys, bring the energy up in your business, bring the passion up, make sure that you don't procrastinate. Don't let yourself lose faith and lose trust and lose passion for your business. Find the passion within you and go and kick ass. Do not make excuses. Catch yourself on excuses and stop it. Nothing is working. Everything I do is not going to bring results. Nothing is working. Stop it. Stop being a victim, stop making excuses, and find the solution. I know, a bit tough love today. But listen, I am so excited about getting you to understand that your business is a 3D printout of your thoughts. Whatever goes through your head is going to go through your business. So if you are listening to this, that means that you're thinking, oh my gosh, that is totally me. I do think I look at the worst and I just get stuck in it. Instead, stop looking at the evidence in the past of things that didn't work and think that that is the truth. That is not the truth. You can change things. You can make things work. You can make things happen. So just focus on the positive, focus on things that can work, change, tweak, believe it. You got to believe it inside of you before it's going to manifest in the outside. Don't do the other way around. Don't wait for things to happen for you to actually believe it. It's never going to work that way. So how can you believe today? How can you manifest today? Close your eyes and think about, how would it feel if you start to get clients messaging going, oh my gosh, I've been watching you for a while. This is fantastic what you do. I want to work with you. What do you do? How can I work with you? Imagine that every day you wake up to 5, 6, 7, 10 people messaging with things like that. Imagine it, visualize it, put it out there, and then think, how can I get people to say that? What do I need to do in my social media to get people to say, yes, I want what you got? Are you talking to people to the pain point? Are you being specific about how they're feeling? Are you being specific on where they're at? Are you using the frame to get people fact right? Are you getting people fact and thought and action right so that they can read that and go, holy guacamole, how does she or he knows that I am doing that? What, there's a camera here? How do they know? You need to talk to them directly. Are you doing that? Stop with excuses and start with the solution. We want to get your results. We want to see you succeeding. I know you can do it, but you know what? I've seen so many of you just crawl in these excuses and this victim, and I want you to stand up, stand tall, be proud of you having a go and trying in the last few months. But you know what? This stops today. Today, you're going to start to manifest. Today, you're going to put your energy out there. Today, you're going to know that you're helping people. Stop to wait for results to be able to know and trust that you help people. Go tap into your experience. Know that you can help people. You've done it for yourself. Don't let doubt eat you. Don't let imposter syndrome eat you alive. Don't let that happen. Just know that imposter syndrome is part of the journey. You're always going to feel that, and that is a good thing, because imposter syndrome gets us to stay on our toes and be able to always improve and always find more value for our clients. There is so much that imposter syndrome gets me to do, so I will never replace it. I love that feeling. I love that energy. Listen, don't let your brain run your business. Don't let your ego run your business. You are in control. You can do this. Manifest it. No more excuses. Let's go, my friends. Let me know how you go after listening to this podcast, and what steps did you take, and how did you get clients from it. Believe it. Stop everything you're doing right now and put your hand on your heart and stop for a second. It's okay. You're allowed to stop for a second. Close your eyes. If you're driving, don't do that. And breathe into your heart and feel grateful for everything you have achieved so far. You've done a lot. You are on the right way, on the right path. Everything is flowing. It's all good. Be proud of you. Be grateful. Think about something you accomplished. Think about something that you want to accomplish, and get yourself there. It's already happening. It's already in your vortex. You got this. Let go of doubt. Let go of anything that is stopping you right now to get where you want to be. And remember, the most important part is the journey. That exactly is the truth. You're not going to be happier when you get there. You need to enjoy the journey. And the moment that you have fun and enjoy the journey, you're going to even double, triple what you are accomplishing. Just stop being stressed. Stop trying to get things done yesterday. Have fun along the way. Bring that energy into your social media. Go, have fun, laugh, share who you truly are with your audience. Talk to them, let them in your life. I promise you, the moment that your real you go out there on social media, you are going to crush it even more. So my friends, take everything with you and do something right now. Do a live, do a post, do a story, do something to show people the real you and take them in the journey. They want to see you, they want to hear you, they want to learn from you. Have fun with it. Take them with you. Don't hide. Don't get stuck behind the computer. This is what this program is showing you. You're a leader. People need to see that. Go on, my friends. Be brave. Pick up the phone. Call someone. Pick up the phone. Do a live. Whatever it is, take action. Let's go. You've got this. Have a fantastic day, my friends. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.